Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Profitec Pro 700 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. I'm gonna give it a tune-up and give it some service, as this is the first time it was serviced in 3 years. We also had to replace these little parts that you see here from the group head. As you can see, these shiny parts are wearing down and it was having some troubles with the lever. Same with the valve that is located right here. It was rubbing against this little other lever and it was just causing troubles. And we replaced it. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be running some steam and then some hot water. I did tamper a bit too hard, so it's gonna take a little bit for that shot to channel through and to extract. It's gonna be on the lower side. As you can see, it's dripping and it's pushing. As water gets pushed through the portafilter, it starts to channel more, and we're gonna have a nice little flow as time keeps going on. Gonna stop it right here, as that is 1 ounce. And as you can see, nice shot of espresso, good crema, great color. Excellent flow coming out of the group head, working excellent. So there you have it, Profitec Pro 700 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for everybody in Kanen Coffee, and subscribe to the channel.